tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Vlogmas Day 3. If you're new to my channel, my name is Haley. I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and health videos. Today it's super fun. I'm doing a recipe video and it's a healthy hot chocolate recipe. And you can either make this a regular hot chocolate or a peppermint hot chocolate. You guys are seriously gonna die over this hot chocolate recipe. It is incredible. You seriously cannot make it any healthier than this. Like, hot chocolate is not usually that healthy and it is full of sugar and fat, but this is not only dairy free, but it's also very, you can make it no sugar, like very low sugar. That I will be showing you shortly. It's around like 12 right now. Later my grandparents are coming over and I'm gonna build a gingerbread house with my mom and my grandma. My mom and I have our own, so we're gonna be building two different ones, but they're both from Trader Joe's and they're like authentic German gingerbread houses and they're super, super cute. So I can't wait for you guys to see that part, but I'm gonna show you guys the recipe first. I don't have too much going on today. I need to go to the grocery store and pick up a couple things. But I just painted my nails and I did a very like natural color. I finally took my acrylics off. I seriously have had acrylics on since September and I have not had a break without them on. So my nails definitely need a break. They were in really bad shape when I took them off the other day. So I gave them like 2 days to just have nothing on them and I was just like putting a lot of oils on them and stuff. But now I decided I wanted to paint them because they looked a lot better. So today I did that and I will show you what I used. This is the polish that I used. It's from Essie and it's one of their gel polishes. I love these gel polishes. If you get the top coat to go with it, your nail polish will seriously last so much longer than if you use a regular nail polish. So this one is in the color number 32 at the bar. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs now and get started showing you guys the recipe for this amazing, amazing hot chocolate. So this is my little outfit of the day today. Sorry about my ring light. I literally have nowhere else to put it in my room, so I just have to put it here, and whenever I take like a mirror picture or something, I just move it. But I'm wearing these Lululemon leggings, and then this sweater is from American Eagle and it's like very big and oversized. I actually got it in a size large because I wanted it to be really oversized, but this is the chenille, I think it's called, and it's in the oatmeal color. They just have so many amazing sweaters. If you've never tried American Eagle, you need to go on their website and see all of the amazing sweaters that they have. And obviously I don't have shoes on because I'm not going anywhere yet. Alright, so I'm in my kitchen, and sorry if the lighting's a little weird. It's not that bright outside today because, you know, in the wintertime it's like, it's very overcast a lot of the time, so I can't really do anything about that. But if you hear any weird noises, I'm turning our coffee machine on right now because you can use it to like steam milk and stuff, which is amazing. But it is a super expensive machine. But luckily my mom has it because she is like addicted to coffee. So I get to use it whenever I want to occasionally. I just use it to steam the milk usually, but because it has like this milk steamer. But I'm gonna show you guys what you need for this recipe real quick. So first you're gonna need some almond milk, and you're either gonna steam this if you have a milk steamer with a coffee machine that you own, or if you don't have one of those, you can use a pot and put it on the stove to heat up your milk. But I'm going to be using the coffee machine because it also produces a little bit of like froth, which is so nice. So yes, you're going to need almond milk, and to keep it as healthy as possible, you want to make sure you get the unsweetened original. So this doesn't have added sugar, but a lot of the almond milks have sugar added, so make sure you get the unsweetened original. And then you're going to need some cocoa powder. This is the cocoa powder that I'm using. It's just the Hershey's cocoa. For sweetener, you can use anything you want. Obviously the healthiest version is going to be like a stevia or something. You can use coconut sugar, maple syrup, honey. If you're going to use like coconut sugar, maple syrup, I would recommend like 1.5 teaspoons or 1 teaspoon depending on how big your cup is. But I'm going to be using these stevia leaf sweet drops, and this is the chocolate flavor. These are seriously so amazing if you are trying to be healthy and not eat like a ton of processed sugar. This is great. It seriously tastes like hot chocolate. I just add about 3 drops of this and you're good to go. You really don't need a lot. It's very intense, so make sure you only use like 2 to 3 drops, 4 at the max. And then you can also use Truvia, which is like stevia, but like I said, I'm gonna be using this, but you can use any sweetener you want. And then if you want to top with marshmallows, you totally can. Not as healthy, but if you just want to sprinkle like a couple on top, that's fine. Just don't like put a whole pile of them on. I'm gonna use a couple just for presentation purposes to make it cute. Normally I probably wouldn't put marshmallows in unless it was like Christmas Eve and I want it to be fancy. Lastly, I'm going to be using this candy cane to garnish and like put it on top. You can crush it up if you want and like sprinkle it on top, but I'm just going to put it in there in the side, and when you stir it around, this will start to melt from the hotness of from the heat of the hot chocolate, so it will actually give you a really nice peppermint flavor and make it like chocolate peppermint. If you don't like peppermint, leave this out. But you can also like crush it up and put it in your hot chocolate and let it melt, and that will also give you peppermint flavor, or you can add a drop or 2 of peppermint extra. I'm really excited to get started with this. So my machine is ready to go. So this is my little milk steamer here, and it comes with the machine that we have. And I fill this halfway with the almond milk. A little less than halfway because my mug isn't like huge. So now I'm just gonna steam this and I will show you that step. Alright, so now I got my milk steamed. You basically just steam it until it's hot enough and there's like a froth on top. If you're making it in a saucepan, just do it until it's heated to the right temperature. It usually doesn't take too long. You don't want it to be boiling. So now I'm gonna switch over to voiceover and show you guys the whole putting together process. Alright, so you want to use a half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I would not do a full tablespoon because it's way too much for a small mug like this. And then I dump all of the milk in, except I save a little bit for the end because that's where the foam comes in. So then I'm just mixing the milk and the cocoa powder together. And then next I'm going to put the sweetener in, and I would use about 4 drops of this liquid stevia if you are going to use that. I find that turned out to be the best amount. And then I stir that in. And then I'm adding the rest of the foam on top because it tastes like whipped cream, honestly, but it's like there's no sugar in it, it's just foam. And then I just add in the candy cane. Okay guys, so it turned out so amazing. It's delicious. I already drank some of it, but it tastes just like any other hot chocolate you would buy at like Starbucks or, you know, the mixes that you buy at grocery stores. It tastes even better than that, honestly. And I love the peppermint hint that it has with the candy cane. It's so good, oh my god. Definitely try this out and let me know in the comments if you try it out and if you liked it. I will be doing more recipe videos coming up for Vlogmas, so I hope you guys are excited. So I'm gonna go run my errands that I need to get done. I'm gonna put this into a to-go container so I can finish it, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So I just got home a few minutes ago from running my errands. I basically just went to the grocery store and got a couple things. Sorry about the lighting, it'll be better in 2 seconds. And then I stopped and filled up my mom's gas tank because I drove her car, because my car needs air in one of the tires, so I didn't drive my car. But I'm about to make lunch. This is about to be my first meal of the day. So I am having a salad first to start, and I have a ton of spinach. This is a huge bowl, like you can see next to my head. I put spinach in here, and then I chopped up some cucumber, red onion, and cherry tomatoes. And then I'm gonna put in some of this Bubby's sauerkraut. I really like this brand. It's very simple. Their ingredients are natural. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on top a little tiny bit of cayenne pepper, only a tiny bit because otherwise it gets super spicy. And then I'm gonna have this salad dressing. This is seriously amazing. This is apple cider vinaigrette, and it kind of tastes like balsamic, but it only has purified water, apple cider vinegar, apple juice concentrate, organic onion, organic black pepper, and that's it. So it's very, very natural. It's completely fat-free, no oil, good for my skin. Since it's no oil, I won't break out. And that will be my simple salad. And then to go with it for more calories, because obviously this doesn't have that many calories in it because it's just vegetables, I'm going to be having a whole cantaloupe, which is sitting right here. And I know what you might be thinking. You'll probably be like, what? That's a lot of fruit. But it's really not. When you eat a plant-based diet, you can eat as many fruits and vegetables as you want because you're not eating animal products, you're not eating processed foods. If you choose to do a whole foods plant-based diet, you're literally only eating food that comes from the earth. So like vegetables, fruit, grains, legumes, starchy vegetables like potatoes and stuff like that. But yeah, I ate a plant-based diet so I can eat as much fruit and vegetables as I want, and I am 100% healthy. Hey Teddy. Alright, we're getting started, and you have to make the icing yourself. See, it's authentic German gingerbread house from Trader Joe's.
Since I did pink.
How's yours going, Mom?
Almost finished.
Oh, yours looks cute. It's all girly.